Ever landed in a new country and had to hunt for a SIM card? Well, Revolut wants to fix that with its new eSIM feature, offering a mobile data in over 100 countries. But is it worth it? Let's break down the pros and cons. First of all, why it's useful. There's a handful of reasons. You've got the instant activation thing, which basically no more swapping SIM cards or visiting stores. Just open the Revolut app, buy a data plan, and you're online in minutes. As it says here, it works in 100 plus countries. It's perfect for frequent travelers, whether you're in Europe, Asia, or the Americas. Revolut eSIM, it keeps you connected. No extra apps needed at all, or accounts. Unlike the other eSIM services that require separate apps, accounts, or prepaid cards, Revolut integrates everything in one place. And also, you've got the pay-as-you-go pricing. No contracts, no hidden fees, just buy the data you need. And you're already using the Revolut app for payments. If you are, adding an eSIM is just absolutely super convenient. You've got data plans for any itinerary, as it shows on the website. You've got local, whether it's in the States, the UK, or Turkey. You've got regional, whether you're a guy that travels, or a girl, from Europe to North America to Asia and the Pacific. Or if you're a world traveler, you can go borderless. Get a data plan that covers you across 100 plus countries, which is amazing. Now let's go for the cons, or what to watch out for. It's data only, which means that there's no calls or SMS. It only provides data. You'll need apps like WhatsApp or FaceTime if you want to communicate. And it's also not available for all phones. Only certain phones support eSIM. If you have an older device, it won't work for you. And pricing might not be the best. Convenience comes at a cost. Local SIMs might be cheaper still, depending on the country. So, is it worth it? If you want a hassle-free way to get data while traveling, Revolut eSIM is a solid choice. But if you need the cheapest rates or traditional calls, you might want to look elsewhere. Let me know what you think in the comments. Follow us for more.